I really love the way it makes us feel just at home. It feels very cozy. I did add some decor and plants because we love our space to just be our own. This 13-foot garage is perfect for anybody's lifestyle. Hey, I'm Desiree with Destination. Welcome to our RV. We have a Keystone Raptor 423 toy hauler. Come on inside and I'll show it to you. This is probably one of our favorite places in our RV. We spend a lot of time in here because we love cooking, but we also love entertaining. We have enough seating with the stools. We have enough room where we don't feel cramped. So I love that about our kitchen. When we moved into this space, I absolutely loved it, but I wanted to make it my own basically. So what I did is I came in and I painted my cabinets white to give it that light, airy, bright feeling. And I also painted the island black to give it a contrast. And we added a hexagon white tile here. It's a peel and stick tile, but it is grouted, so it will not move or go anywhere. I also added some shelves on the side for decor. I added some custom blinds here, and I also added a wood valance. This is a real marble backsplash. It's peel and stick, but it is real stone. Some of my other favorite features is probably the fact that we have so much storage here. I love that, and I do love the U shape because it gives us lots of counter space here for food. If we don't use the Berkey, we can use the tap water because we have a clear source ultra water system. That is a triple filtration system, which is very nice. So we always have clean, pure water at any campground we are at. We have a 3-burner stove and oven, which this cooktop is absolutely way overused probably. We also have an Instapot, so we have multiple different ways to cook our meals. And we use the oven and we use the microwave because it's a microwave, but it's also a convection oven, which is a really nice feature of our kitchen. We also have a fridge that I absolutely love. This works on gas and also electric, which is a great feature because when we move from state to state, you can keep all your food in the fridge and you don't have to shut it off or you don't have to empty out your fridge in between moves. Also, we have a loft storage area up here. We use it more for storage, but if you needed to, there's also a bed, which is really a great feature too because it sleeps an extra person. Now, this is our other favorite part of our RV, and the reason this is our favorite part is the reason we bought this model. We love the fact that it had a separate kitchen and a separate living room. It has the 3-seater sofa and the 2-seater sofa. All of these seats here all recline. So this, on family movie night, we actually pull all these out. We move the coffee table and we all lay right here and we watch our family movie nights here. They all heat and vibrate, which I don't use that much, but they also have cup holders, which is nice. The other part of this area is this, which is our actual pantry. So this is where we keep most of our canned goods, our dried goods, any of that kind of stuff we keep up there. The fireplace is a great feature because not only does it provide ambience in here, but it also provides a heat source. I did make the coffee table myself from a real live edge wood, and I added the legs. In here, the renovations I did, I painted our slides white. I added the wood valances. I added little wood shelves, and I really love the way it makes us feel just at home. It feels very cozy. We love having our plants and all the natural light coming in. So I grew up in Buffalo, New York, and I lived there till I was around 18. I decided to move down to the Carolinas, and I always wanted to be in a warmer state. I love New York, and we love that snow, but I wanted to be in a state that I experience all 4 seasons. So shortly after I met my husband, and he was already traveling for a living from state to state, and so we decided to start doing it together. And then about 4 years ago, we bought the RV, and we started traveling in the RV on the East Coast for his career. I was looking at this exact make and model and I loved it, but the price was a little bit more than we wanted to spend. So I did my research and I found it at an outlet and we got it for approximately $72,000. But with all of my renovations, I've spent probably between the paint, the wood, and all the items I've added to the RV, I'd say about $4,000 to $5,000 I've added to it. I love the bathroom because I have made it my own again. I've added some wallpaper to the walls here and behind me. And I've also added this basket with hand towels for us and our guests. We have upgraded our mirror, which is one of our favorites. It's got lighting behind it, but it's also a medicine cabinet, which is really cool because it gives you that extra storage. I did upgrade our faucet on our sink and I painted the cabinets all in here black to give you that contrast. The shower, we've actually renovated a lot as well and upgraded. We've changed out the shower head, the handles, and we've added some hooks here, which is really nice and convenient when you are hanging your towels so they can dry and they are out of the way. Over here we have a regular toilet, and that goes into our black tank, and this is all hooked up to one of our 2 gray tanks as well. And then above our toilet we have some of our toiletries that clean our tanks. And I also added a little shelf here and some wallpaper with some extra decor. And we also have a skylight in our shower, which is very nice because our shower is not only tall, but it gives you all that extra natural light coming in, as well as our vent fan here. That also provides a lot of extra lighting in here, and it's very nice to have it open. Even if you don't want to use your AC, you can let a lot of hot air out and it brings the cool air in. So that's a nice feature as well. This is our cozy little nest. I have made some renovations in here. We have added the wood valance, the wood on the back of the headboard here, and then the wood around the slide. I painted all the cabinets in here white as well, just to bring that airy, warm feeling into our bedroom. I did add some decor and plants because we love our space to just be our own. We do have a queen size bed in here now, but you can fit a king size bed in this RV. Underneath here, we actually have all of our luggage, and we have all of our winter and summer clothes, which we are able to change out during the seasons depending on what state we're living in. So that's a lot of storage there, all the cabinets here, and then of course your slide as well. We have an air conditioner in all 3 areas of our RV. So this is one of 3 air conditioners. We also have a Furrion TV on this wall here. Another fun feature of our master bedroom is these wooden hooks that I added here. So it gives me the option to hang all of my bags and all of my hats here. And then also we have this barn door, which I love because it gives us 2 access points to the bathroom. This barn door is easily slid open and closed. And I also upgraded all the handles on the bedroom doors because they have locks on them, and it's more of a privacy feature. So we like that as well. Best advice for someone who's trying to get into the RV lifestyle, whether it's full-time, part-time, or even just weekend warrior, it doesn't matter. I would definitely say you either need to rent one or maybe stay with a family or friend just to kind of get the vibe and see if it's something that you think you can do. Also, my best other advice would be to do your research. I've heard too often, would be someone getting into this lifestyle and getting a unit that is too small. So if you have children or if it's more than just you, you definitely want to make sure you have enough space to feel comfortable on an everyday basis. If you do it full time, you definitely want to have the space. Welcome to Maxton's room. This is our toy hauler. We bought this RV not only for the U-shaped kitchen and that living space that we have there, we also bought it because of this toy hauler part. This 13-foot garage is perfect for anybody's lifestyles. In the renovation, I added this desk for Maxton so he could have a homeschooling space. Not only is it Maxton's homeschooling space, but it's also my space. So when I do content creating or I do any of my UGC content, I use this space for myself. This desk and this bed, with a push of a button, goes all the way up to the ceiling, which is also nice because you can pull in with this patio here. You could put the ramp completely down. You could pull in an ATV, a motorcycle, a side-by-side, golf cart. Even some people have mini cars in here that they bring in, their little Mini Coopers or whatnot. Another great feature of our toy hauler, probably my favorite feature because I do all the laundry, is this LG washer dryer combo. This baby can do a load of laundry, and I've been able to fit up to about 32 items in there. And any comforters or rugs that you need to wash, you'll have to take those to the laundromat. I also have our Instapot back here, which I love for our kitchen and cooking. And then I added this dresser for Maxton, so we have his clothes in the first 3. We have some of his paint and some of his homeschooling stuff in the bottom. And all of these here are how we put the awnings in and out on the back patio. And then this here is the bed lift control. That's if you're bringing in an ATV or a golf cart. But for us, we bring in all of our outdoor patio furniture. It all comes in here when we move to different states.
Hello, so this is my room. One feature I love about my room is you can put my TV up and down. So if I want it down, I can eat on my desk. If I want it up, I can chill in my bed. Then this is all my toys. This is my Rubik's Cube little area and my rock area and Minecraft. And I also have a queen size bed with a bedding.
Okay, as you can tell, we've got lots of favorite features about our RV. This is definitely one of the bigger RV features that we absolutely love. This toy hauler patio is an extra added space where you could chill outside and just relax with you, your family, your friends, whatever. Not only does it give you extra added square footage for this RV, but if you're parked at a park where you're too close to another RVer or camper, or you don't have space outside to have a front patio, this is a perfect opportunity for you to have that space. I love it. We absolutely love having this kitchen. Now, we do have a full-size TV out here, which is hooked up to satellite, so we can watch any of the games and shows. We got some storage areas here. We do have some storage above, which stores all of our cleaning supplies for our RV, and then we have some of our other decorative items out there. We love having this mini fridge. This is a big deal in our book because we use it all the time. We use the solo stove over the weekend to have family and friends over. We love sitting outside. We have our patio area here. We have our string lighting. So it's a really fun environment. Everybody comes over. They know if the string lights are on, they're welcome to come over. This generator has saved us multiple occasions. There's been a lot of storms or power outages, and we were able to power this up, and we ran on it for over 7 days, and it runs everything inside and outside of our RV. So that is a great feature. And we also have two 30-gallon propane tanks, which is also very nice because they're much larger, and so you don't have to fill up your propane as often. We also have the Anderson trailer jack blocks out here on the front of our RV to keep our RV lower so it doesn't use up as much of the leveling fluids. And on our fifth wheel, we also have here the MoreRide cord keeper, which is very nice to keep your electric cord up off the ground and out of the way for the little kids who are running around all the time. So those are some great features of our RV on the outside. For our careers, my husband has been in the same career since he was 19 years old, so approximately like 22 years he's been in the construction field. And then for me, I actually stay home with our son and I homeschool him for the last 3 years. And full-time, I do content creating on Instagram, and I also do UGC on Instagram as well. And that's my side hustle. I want to thank you guys for coming out to our RV cribs and checking out our RV, and thank you to Tiny Home Tours for coming and seeing our lovely abode. And also, all the links will be in the description below, and check us out on Instagram under Destination, and you can check us out all of our videos, tips, tricks, maintenance. We got a little bit of everything in there.